Hello boys, this is Mr. Ford with another Year 7 online music lesson. These are going to be set every Wednesday from now on, and this is the one set for the 6th of May. The main objective today is to practice music using Musescore if you're able to download it, and the online keyboard. Regarding Musescore, a number of you have told me that you can't download it, or that you have to pay for it. That simply isn't necessary. I've given you the link to this page here, and there should be every suitable link for every type of computer you can think of. We're going to listen to and look at a piece called 5 Years' Time by a folk group called Noah and the Whale, and I'll be telling you what a full score is and showing you how to look at the individual parts as well. We're going to practice the hand clap part, and the bass guitar part, and the ukulele part. There we are, I've changed it to ukulele part now. And then finally you're going to complete what I would call a back to basics listening and theory skills workout. It's more musictheory.net exercises. You'll find it quite easy initially, but you've really got to listen hard. I've given you the link to this web page. 7 scale degrees, major scale and intervals. You complete those 10 exercises. If you're not quite sure what to do, then watch the video first. Maybe do that anyway. It lasts about 5 minutes. And then there are 3 recap exercises. You put your surname there, your first name there, the result, that is the percentage result, but simply the number. Please don't put the percentage sign of the first one there, second one there, third one there. All you do is click on the links and the exercises come up. All that should take you maybe 10 minutes, perhaps a little bit more the first time with the videos, and then you go on to the next one, which should also take you about 10 minutes, 7 scale degrees, major scale, and the 7 white piano keys. There we are, 10 little tests for practice, and then recap tests. Put your surname there, first name there, and then the 3 results after clicking on these links here. So, spend a minute or two writing down ideas. Ask yourself, do I understand what is expected? What do I remember about using Musescore and the online keyboard? And am I motivated to practice the practical work over the next few weeks and to do all the musictheory.net work really well? That's what I call the back to basics workout. Just pause the video for a moment and do that. So, first of all, I've attached all these files here. There's the Musescore file, and then there are 3 PDF files for anybody who hasn't got Musescore at the moment. You can download them and, if necessary, print them off. And when you've opened the Musescore file, it will look like this. This is called a musical score. Here are all the different parts down the left-hand side, tin whistle, and so on, piano, although that's the voice part. But anyway, violin, drum set, hand clap, ukulele chords, and the bass guitar. And these all play along at the same time. When you press start, that's that button there. You click it on them with a mouse. And stop it, or else with the space bar. Let's continue. Follow the blue line. You'll see there's a violin part coming up here. And a drum part. And then the singer joins in with the piano sound. The tin whistle has stopped. Hand claps. T-T, ta, T-T, ta, T-T, ta. You can join in. And then it stops. And when you've got to the end, then click on there. It says rewind to start position, and it jumps back to the beginning. Now, if you look along the top here, you'll see the individual parts that I've exported for you. the tin whistle and the piano and violin drum set. And we're going to start with the hand clap. Now, this here on the left-hand side, well, first of all, that's crotchet equals 100, that's the speed. But that shows you've got 22 bars rest. There are 4 beats in a bar, so you've got to be counting for a long time. But anyway, when it comes along, it's sh, ti, ti, sh, ta. That's what we've just been clapping. Sh, ti, ti, sh, ta. And I'd like you to practice that. You can practice with me if you like. Sh, ti, ti, sh, ta, sh, ti, ti, sh, ta, sh, ti, ti, sh, ta, sh, ti, ti, sh, ta. If you click on that rest there and then press the space bar, it'll play it for you. And if you go back to the beginning of the main score and have listened to your 22 bars and you get to the 22nd one here, then you get this. And 1, ti, ti, sh, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. And as you're clapping, listen more and more carefully to the other notes that are being played, because you're going to learn to play them too. This is the bass guitar part, and we start on this. Now that's dead simple, and it's the same all the way through. Notice I've written the letter names underneath. C, 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 D, 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 C, C, C. And I'd like you to sing that because it'll help you to memorize what you've got to play. You ready? With me, ready, go. C, 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 D, 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 C, C, C. So that when you then go to the online keyboard, the link for which I've given you, it's C, 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 D, 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 C, C, C. Or like this. Or 8 notes lower. Again. And so on. You need to go and practice that now. And when you've done so, then play along with the full score, which you'll click on there for, of course. And then you press this to go back to the beginning. And then you maybe click on the first note and then D, 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 C, 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 D, 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 C, C, C. Right, go away and do that thoroughly and then come back to this video. Pause for now. There is more to follow. So, then go to the ukulele chords part, and if you click on there and press play, right, you can sing C, C, F, 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 G, 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 F, 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 C, C, C. The value of doing that is so enormous. Please sing along with the Musescore file when you do it yourself in a minute. And then having memorized that, you can go. Or with your fingers. And if you go one line lower, you've got chords. It doesn't work down there, so we'll have to do it down here. F, 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 C, 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 F, 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 G, 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 F, 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 C, C, C. You'll have to work that out. Even better if you can do any of that on a keyboard, a real keyboard. F, 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 C, 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 F, 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 G, 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 F, 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 C, C, C. And when you've done that, you can add the other notes of the chords. And so on. Right, go away now and spend at least another 20 minutes practicing all that. And when you've finished, don't forget you'll have to do 20 minutes on the musictheory.net, what I call the workout. Well done.